At this point, it's evident to the world that Pakistan has been spinning a web of denial and has been caught in its own trap. We've been busting all of the lies. Sometimes they're fact-checked by their own, but there have also been admissions from their own foreign officers, from political insiders, that's left the Pakistan leadership completely embarrassed because the propaganda they've been peddling on Operation Sindoor having no impact has been busted by their own, with several admissions coming in from the leadership one after another saying, yes, we suffered casualties. Yes, our air bases were hit. Here are those details.
Pakistan is left with egg on its face yet again. Their lies on Operation Sindoor has been exposed by their very own. Pakistan has repeatedly tried to brush off India's strikes, claiming no casualties and no impact of the strikes. But now, the admission of damage has come from within. In the latest, Chief Minister of Sindh confirmed that India airstrikes targeted the Bolari airbase that killed 6 of their Air Force staff members.
सिंध के अंदर 7 शहीद हैं, 6 बोलाड़ी में जो अटैक हुआ था उसमें एयरफोर्स के 6 एक ऑफिसर और जो टेक्नीशियंस थे वो शहीद हुए थे.
Next morning he came with surface to surface.
He is not the only one. Pakistan's retired Air Marshal has admitted to losing the airborne warning and control system aircraft during India's Operation Sindoor.
उस बेस के ऊपर 4 सरफेस टू सरफेस ब्राह्मोस मिसाइल आए और जैसे पहला आया वो जूम करके ऊपर से दूसरा आया, फिर तीसरा आया, फिर चौथा आया, जो कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली बोलारी में डायरेक्टली आके एक हैंगर पे लगा जहां पे कि हमारा एवैक्स खड़ा था.
The Bolari Air Base in Sindh province, located about 160 kilometers from Karachi, was one of the dozen Air Force targets struck during Operation Sindoor. Commissioned in December 2017, it was regarded as one of Pakistan's most advanced operational bases that was home to the 19th Squadron and the Operational Conversion Unit. Satellite images revealed extensive damage to the hangar at the airbase where aircrafts were housed.
All drones
amid the barrage of misinformation pushed by Pak media handles,
as per initial reports, we shot down 2 Indian planes.
Their information minister Ataullah Tarar shared footage from a video game claiming that the Pakistani armed forces gave a timely and nerve-wracking response to Indian security forces, which was later fact-checked by a UK journal.
आपने हमारे भावलपुर में जो हमला हुआ है.
Pakistan MP Malik Mohammad Iqbal had also admitted in their assembly that Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar was targeted in the precision strikes that were carried out under Operation Sindoor. You would remember Pakistan Defence Minister Khwaja Asif, who was mocked and trolled for making completely unsubstantiated claims that Pakistan shot down 5 Indian fighter planes. When asked for proof to back his statement, he referred to quote-unquote social media content. These back-to-back admissions substantiate India's position that our forces targeted Pakistani military installations, refuting Islamabad's claim that the strikes were aimed at civilians. Bureau Report, India Today.